Hello Silly Bakers, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today is going to be a short and sweet video. I'm going to show you how to make instant chia pudding. So typically guys, with chia pudding, when you are making chia pudding, you're adding chia seeds, liquid of choice, sweetener, fruit if you like, and some spices and all that stuff. And typically you are going to put in the fridge and it could be consumed probably within 1 or 2 hours. I'm going to show you how to make a chia pudding and eat it within 5 minutes. Really simple hack. It's a genius hack, which I can't believe I didn't think of, but you are essentially putting your chia pudding in the fridge to soak up all of that liquid, and it takes about that long to do so. With this hack, it doesn't take that long at all. So it's a really amazing hack, and I hope you guys who love chia pudding use this. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make a instant chia pudding, and then I'm going to show you how to make my favorite chocolate instant chia pudding. We are going to grab a small sauce pot and we're going to add 1/2 cup of water. We are going to bring this water to a boil. And while that's boiling, we're going to grab a reusable container here, and I'm adding 1/4 cup of chia seeds. We're then going to add our boiled water to the chia seeds. And because we're adding boiling water instead of cold water, the seeds will absorb that water almost instantly. We're going to stir for about 10-15 seconds until all of the water has absorbed and it turns into almost like a gel. Normally guys, the ratio with chia seeds to milk is going to be 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to 1/2 cup of milk. Since we're using a 1/4 cup of chia seeds, we will need 1 cup of milk. But I have decided to use a combination of 2 things. So you can see how that has completely absorbed all of the water, and it is very gel-like. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk. This is soy milk. You can use any milk you like. And now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of kefir. Because kefir is a lot thicker, you are going to need a little bit more. If you don't want to use kefir, just use an additional 1/2 cup of milk. The kefir is amazing because it's a probiotic, but also it gives it almost like this mousse-like consistency to the pudding, and it's so delicious. We're going to give everything a really good mix until everything is nicely incorporated. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to give everything a quick mix. And this is really it. That is your chia pudding, and it's ready to go. I love a chocolate version of this, and in order to get this to be a chocolate chia pudding, we are going to add cacao powder. You can use between 1.5 to 2 tablespoons, depending how chocolatey you like it. Cacao is incredible. It is full of antioxidants. It has magnesium. It's an amazing ingredient. And lastly, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. And using my whisk, I'm going to whisk that cocoa powder into the chia pudding. And this took literally 2 to 3 minutes to make, and it is ready to eat. Enjoy our instant chocolate chia pudding. Perfect for any time of day. you could add a few tablespoons of this mixture with a serving of Greek yogurt, as well as some protein powder, and enjoy this for breakfast or as a post-workout snack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this instant chia pudding, let me know in the comments below. I will include the instructions and measurements in the comment section as well as in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.